This video provides a case digest of CIR versus Arturo E. Villanueva Jr., a 2024 Supreme Court ruling concerning tax assessment due process, proof of notice receipt, and prescriptive periods. We will examine the background of the 2006 tax audit, the assessment communications involved, and the procedural journey of this case to the High Court. The parties involved are the Bureau of Internal Revenue as the petitioner, and Arturo E. Villanueva Jr., a sole proprietor of a logistics business in Tondo, as the respondent. Following the 2006 tax filings, the audit began in 2008. By 2011, the BIR issued notices claiming over 30 million pesos in taxes. The case reached the Supreme Court by 2024. The BIR assessed 30.72 million pesos in deficiency taxes, alleging undeclared revenue. They argued for the 10-year prescriptive period based on claims of a false return. Two primary legal issues emerged. First, whether the notices were validly served, and second, whether the BIR's authority to assess these taxes had already prescribed. Regarding service, the court ruled that if a taxpayer denies receipt, the burden is on the BIR to provide substantial evidence of actual delivery. Unauthenticated receipts are insufficient. On prescription, the court applied the standard 3-year rule. The 10-year period was rejected because the BIR failed to prove the clear, intentional fraud required for such an extension. This matrix summarizes the differences between the ordinary 3-year period and the extraordinary 10-year period, highlighting the ruling that the assessment had indeed prescribed. For the 10-year period to apply, the law requires willful error, an explicit statement in the assessment notice, and consistent conduct from tax authorities. In conclusion, due process is paramount. The BIR must strictly prove receipt of notices, and the extraordinary 10-year prescriptive period cannot be invoked without proof of deliberate intent to deceive. Thank you for watching this summary of CIR versus Villanueva. Please feel free to review the case details provided here. This video utilized visual resources from Vecteezy as cited here.